Ready for a video, little Meek? Ready for a video? Ready for a video? What up, gamers? It's your boy. Today, I'm gonna show you my ultimate $616 skincare routine. Let's get it. So you gotta start off every skincare routine with a cleanser. My cleanser of choice, of course, is Shiseido Men Deep Cleansing Scrub. No, let me focus it on in there. Deep Cleansing Scrub. Now, what's great about this scrub, it gets really deep. You know, men's skin, very different from women's skin. So you gotta make sure you have a chemistry composition that accounts for that. Really just needs just a little dab, not a lot. Really, you get your money's worth when you buy this scrub. Now you gotta make sure, always go up on your skin, okay? Never down. Your skin is fighting against gravity, so you gotta give it all the help it can to fight against aging and wrinkling. Now you really gotta make sure, get up there in your T-zone. That's where most acne pops up. You know, don't forget above your lips, that's just as important. Always up. Then, you gotta make sure, bring it down. You gotta get your neck, your chest a little bit. I need a little more. My dab wasn't big enough. You gotta make sure your dab is big enough. You gotta get all in there, you know. You can get acne anywhere in your body, and if it was up to me, I'd be rubbing this shit all over me, alright? So, gotta make sure. Always going up everywhere. All your skin is fighting against gravity. And bam, I'm looking pretty good already. But there's 8 more steps to go. So, don't miss out. When you're washing it off, always go up. Very important. Now, to dry off your face, it's very important. I see a lot of people, just rubbing a towel on their face. You don't want to do that to your skin. Your skin is your body's biggest organ. So you gotta make sure you treat it with respect. It's your barrier against the outside world. Without your skin, you'd be dead. So, you gotta make sure to get a tissue. Just a normal nose tissue. Just gotta lightly dab. That's how you get the moisture off. Just lightly dab. You don't want to rub in there. Lightly dab. Get all the moisture off. Might need 2. I got a lot of skin today. I wiped it up a lot. So I might need a second one. But you may only need 1. Alright, step 2. Gotta get Shiseido treatment softener. Now, in some cultures, this may be called a toner. Really just brightens up the face, evens out the color. You really want an even color on your face. It's not enough to fight against acne. You need to fight against uneven colors on your face. And you notice, my face is all over the place because I haven't been keeping up with my routine recently. But I'm back on the grind, always grinding, so I'ma hit me with one of these. Now, you gotta make sure to get a cotton pad, which I hope I have. You gotta get a cotton pad. Do you use a cotton ball?
No, cotton ball.
Where are they?
They're in my room.
Okay. So you need a cotton pad for application of the softener. And my cotton pad of choice, it's very important, is this Shiseido facial cotton. Now, the reason why I use mostly Shiseido items is because they all work together to create a magical blend that just really makes your look pop. So, what I do, take your cotton pad, put it in your middle finger like so, and hold it like this. This creates a very good application surface direct to your skin. You don't want to use too much, This is valuable stuff. So just take it out, just a little dab. pat away. You know, again, you don't want to be pulling your skin. Never pull your skin. Always pull up or dab. You know. All right, step 3. Gotta hit me with that Shiseido Ultimune. Now this is a serum preparator. Really opens your pores and gets your face ready for step number 5, the Glow Revival Serum. We'll get to that in a second, but very important. Gotta make all your products more effective by applicators like this. So really just a little dab, you know. You know, get a little of your cleave. You know, the girl's gotta look good, you know. All right, now that has to set for a few minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna start with my Shiseido Ultimune Eye Serum. Now this is prepping my eyes for my eye serum I'm gonna put on step 6, but we'll get to that in a minute. Now always when applicating eye serums, you gotta make sure your third finger is your weakest finger and your skin under your eye is very, very delicate. So you gotta make sure, always apply on the third finger like so, and you don't need a lot, just a little bit. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna dab it under your eyes, nice and easy. You know, this really helps clear out the darkness under your eyes. Never pull. Always dab. And you can get a little bit above too, but mostly we care about the bags under those eyes. So now we're on to step magical 5. Now this is the Bio Performance Serum. This really just does more chemistry, really brightens up your face. Really every step is very important to have a full balanced look. You know, your face is a blank canvas for your makeup and you want the most pure, perfect canvas possible. So this is really just helping us down the line. So again, always pattern with the serum. Always popping. Now if you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and hit me a like down there. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell. Every little bit helps the gamer gang, you know. All right, now we're on to step 6. This is the Shiseido Ibuki Eye Serum. Now this really does the magic to really brighten up those under eye areas. Now I put a little too much. If you ever put too much, you know, you can always get this areas back here. So always dabbing, same thing as before, on your third finger, your weakest finger. You know your second and your third finger shares a tendon. So that's why you have very little control of your third finger. But it's very valuable for us when it comes to applying makeup and serum on our eyes. Ooh, that is a lot. I have a dog. She's scratching at the door. She wants to join us. But makeup is for professionals only. So, professionals only in here. Really, you want to come inside, big girl? Millie wants to come inside. You want to come inside, Millie, and hang out? Mabel too? Alright. We got the whole fam in here now. You better not want to come out. Alright, now we need a moisturizer. You know, all this makeup on our face really dries out our pores, but we want something to fix all that for us. My, of course, moisturizer of your choice is Shiseido Men. Of course, my dog wants back out. Had your fun? Had your fun, you two? Alrighty. So we gotta wrap that all up with a moisturizer. My moisturizer, of course, is Shiseido Men Moisturizing Emulsion. Now, all the stuff we've done before really dries out the face. You know, opens up those pores, sucks out all the moisture out of your face, but you gotta wrap it up a little bit. And of course, just a little dab. You know, maybe a little more than the other ones. but you know, just little swipes up, nice and light, not heavy at all. Maybe some dabs. Alright gamers, next, always, you gotta use the Shiseido 42 SPF Sunblock. I know it's night right now, you know, but in the morning, you always want to put this on. And also, you know, you never know when the sun's gonna attack. Skin cancer runs in my family, so you always gotta be protected, is what I say. So just a little dab, you know, this is really runny, look at it. It's not like normal sunblock, but it even acts as like a mini foundation. It really brightens the face when you put it on. So that's why I like to use it even at night. Hide some of my imperfections. And you know, I'm always posting late into the night. Selfies, fashion shows, you know. I always want to look good because you never know when you're gonna want to snap a selfie. So you always gotta look snatched, all the time. And that starts with having sunblock on 24/7. Because this light right now, that's UV rays coming into my body. And I'm not okay with that, you know. I gotta stay protected from those UV rays. Alright, next, you gotta brush your teeth. You know, people talk about nightly routines. They don't bring up the brush and the teeth stuff because it's not as sexy. But you know, you gotta make sure your teeth are sparkly as possible. My brand of choice, of course, Oral-B Brawn with a default head. Now, you gotta make sure to always use Colgate with your brushing because it really just brightens up the teeth. It just really does. And all you need really is just a little dab on the top, and you gotta make sure to get that head a little bit wet. And you know, when you're using a mechanical or an electric toothbrush, you gotta make sure not to brush back and forth. That's bad. Little tiny circles. Let the brush do the work for you, is what my dentists always say. So, here goes nothing. Now, a couple more steps. We're almost done here, folks. You know, thanks to the fine folks at ACT, I can bring you this wonderful product here today. ACT Kids Bubblegum Blowout. Now, this is a mouthwash I use every night, and it's so good. You know, you always want a good breath, good smelling breath, because you never know when you gotta kiss your homies goodnight. So, the last thing you want to do for your homies is right before they go to bed, you send them off with some stank breath. So always mouthwash up. And what's great about this ACT Kids Bubblegum Blowout product is that it has this magical fill line cup at the top here. So you just gotta give it a little spray and bam, it's full. And then just give it a little swig and start gurgling. Nice and fresh. Now, lastly, probably the most important step. We've been treating all this, but not this right here. I always end the night with some Lingerie Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask. Now this is very important. It has some acid or something in it, I forget what it's called, but it has some acid that really plumps up your lips, gives you a natural Kylie Jenner lip kit. You know, that's what I called it to all my buds. Yo bud, you got that natural Kylie Jenner lip kit, and they say, thanks bud, you're looking out for me. So you just gotta get a little bit, just a little bit on the tip of your finger, and you just gotta rub it in all over, making sure you get it all over your lips. My lips are ready for that sleeping now. Well, thanks so much, homies, for coming out, checking out my video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a like down below. If you didn't like it, don't dislike it, because I don't like that. Make sure you comment any questions. I'll be able to help you out. And if you really want to stick around for another video, maybe hit that subscribe, hit that bell. My face is looking snatched. Thanks so much for checking me out, gamers, and have a good night.